I'll show you the exact, step-by-step process to send money from Western Union directly to any bank account worldwide using the mobile app. I'll also show you how to find the correct bank code so your money doesn't get stuck in limbo. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. Western Union has made a bank-to-bank transfers the gold standard, offering higher limits and, in many cases, zero transfer fees. First, ensure your Western Union profile is verified with a valid ID, as bank transfers require higher security clearance. Then, open the Western Union app and tap Send Money. Select the destination country and enter the amount you want to send. Under How does your receiver want the money? Select Bank Account. Under How would you like to pay? Select Bank Account. Paying via your bank account instead of a credit card is the secret to getting those $0 transfer fees and the best exchange rates. Now, you need to be precise with the bank info. Enter your receiver's full legal name exactly as it appears on their bank account. Select the bank name from the drop-down menu. You will need the SWIFT or BIC code. The app has a built-in bank lookup tool if you're unsure of the code. Finally, enter the IBAN or account number. Double-check these numbers. A single-digit error can delay your transfer by up to 10 business days. Once you review the summary and hit send, you'll receive a receipt with your MTCN, that's the money transfer control number. You can track the progress directly in the app's History tab. Most bank-to-bank transfers arrive within 2 business days. You can even share the tracking link directly with your recipient via WhatsApp or text so they know exactly when the funds are pending. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.